I know that most of you like the idea of investing in new projects at the beginning, even before the token is launched. Generally, these launches are done through Launchpad platforms. In today's video, what I want to show you is the launch of a Launchpad from a certain platform and its token, which will start the pre-sale. The best part is that this Launchpad is regulated in Switzerland. But there is still time for you to participate. Hello everyone, I am Vinicius Ferrero, and in today's video, I want to talk to you about Suissepad, a launchpad from Suisse Blockchain, which is a platform regulated in Switzerland. The Suisse token will be launched soon. But now, let's talk about this platform and also about how you can participate in the whitelist to secure a spot in the pre-sale of this token. Before I forget, there will be an airdrop. The project's website is suisseblockchain.io. I will leave the link in the description. I have already mentioned it in a previous video here on this channel. But basically, the entire website has undergone updates and has seen several changes. There is even a pre-sale panel that will be done soon. For those who don't know, a launchpad is a platform for launching new tokens or projects. This way, the project can present its proposal and offer a number of tokens for sale at a much more attractive price. Suissepad is exactly this kind of platform for launching new projects. However, it is just starting, and its token will be launched soon as well. One of its great differentials is that Suisse Blockchain has a non-action letter from FINMA, which is essentially the Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority. This allows it to comply with Swiss regulations. The finances of Suisse Blockchain will be audited by a company called Grant Thornton, which is an auditing firm that oversees companies. Besides the advantage of following Swiss regulations, Suisse Blockchain and Suissepad aim to be a platform that is easy, safe, and simple for anyone to use and participate in these new project launches. The idea is to bring a complete set of tools for projects that want to be launched through this platform, and also for users who want to participate in these launches. Additionally, at the end of all this developed structure, the platform will have more than 40 blockchains available. Personally, I believe a lot in the cross-chain world. With this high compatibility, it will open many possibilities for projects that can be launched here. Yes, the platform already has technologies to integrate many networks, creating a bridge between them. After all, they can use all the technology of the Nerve network, which is already available and developed. Before talking about the pre-sale or the project's token, I wanted to show you that the entire team of Suisse Blockchain is public, and you can visit their social networks as well, from the leadership team to the board of directors, and even the advisors. Another important point is the roadmap. That is the path the project plans to follow or has already followed. We can see that at the beginning of this year, Q1, the initial focus was on resolving regulatory issues, compliance, and developing the MVP of the Launchpad, which is the base of the tool. In the second quarter, they have advanced with some things, such as a private sale, which is a smaller sale only for specific investors, and they also developed the project's protocol and ecosystem. In the third and fourth quarters, there are very important points that will be developed later this year, such as the beginning of marketing campaigns for people to know more about this project, the token presale that will happen soon, creating community campaigns related to the airdrop that I will soon talk about, and project onboarding, which is the integration of users into the tools. In the fourth quarter, there will be the token generation event, TGE, which will be the effective launch of the token in the open market, possibly in several exchanges. There will also be incubation services to support the projects that will be launched here in a more structured way. The platform upgrades will be based on user feedback. Additionally, the team will consistently work on the community. There will be many more interesting things for 2025, but we will talk about that in a future video because they are slightly more distant updates. If you are wondering about the partners and supporters of this project, their logos are displayed on the website. In the docs under the partnerships section of Suisse Blockchain, you can see that there are several projects, mainly Swiss projects. Well, so far I think you have a basic understanding of the project itself. But before we look at the pre-sale, it is important to understand the token and its utility. The token's name is Suisse, and its tag is Suisse. Its total supply will be 200 million, which is a relatively low supply. This will be a utility token, meaning it will be a tool used within the ecosystem. And what is its utility? Well, basically to access Suissepad. That is, to access and secure allocation spots in projects that will be launched through the platform. The token will also be used for staking and for the entire governance system. Additionally, there will be some gamified dynamics with loyalty points. Here on the website, you can see the allocation and division of this token, the so-called tokenomics. I want to highlight some parts here, but you can look at the rest more calmly later. Firstly, I highlight the pre-sale, which is the initial whitelist sale we will try to secure a spot for. This sale will be 14%, meaning a good portion will be destined for the community itself. Another interesting point here is that 4% of the tokens will be used for airdrops and rewards. That is, we can have interesting prizes, so it is very worthwhile to check how to participate in the airdrop. In the case, if you want to look at the vesting, which is the process of releasing these tokens, you can find this information in the docs of Suisse Blockchain, but I will leave the link in the description to make it easier for you. For example, in the pre-sale, 15% of the tokens sold will be distributed to users, and there will be a 3-month period to receive it after its launch. This receipt will be done linearly over 14 months. Here you also have the information about everything else. But to not stay stuck in this part of the video for too long, I will leave all the links in the description so you can look at the tokenomics more calmly. Well, since I know you want to know about the pre-sale, let's take a look at how it will be. Actually, there is not all the information yet because the pre-sale hasn't started. But here in the project's documents, we can see that they are planning several pre-sale stages, each with a specific number of tokens and with the price increasing at each round, each stage. So those who buy in the first rounds will pay less than those who buy in the last rounds. Here is the unlock information I have already shown you, which will be 15% at the token launch, 3 months to start receiving, and the rest will be released linearly over 14 months. Here you also have the minimum allocation information, which is the minimum purchase value of $10. I found this minimum very accessible. If you are interested in registering for these first rounds, what do you have to do? Well, just access the Suisse Blockchain website, and here in this field, click on Whitelist for Suisse Token now. Once done, a page will be shown for you to fill in with your details. Here you will only put your name and email. After that, you will need to log in with some social network. After connecting with your social network, you need to complete these 4 tasks: signing up for the whitelist, following Suisse Blockchain on X, formerly Twitter, reposting the launch post on X, and also joining the Suisse Blockchain group on Telegram. Doing this, you will have 3 benefits. First, guaranteed participation in the airdrop. So to participate in the airdrop, you need to sign up here. You will also have the opportunity to buy in the first sale lots, that is, in the first stages. So all this will be released to those who complete the tasks. And lastly, you will receive double points in the platform's scoring system, which is a loyalty system they are creating. In summary, will you buy a little? A lot? Won't you buy? Then register anyway, because this way, you guarantee your benefits. Through these benefits, you already understand a bit of how the airdrop will work. Let's then talk about the airdrop. The airdrop campaign is designed to reward active community members and rocket fuel holders on Suissepad. This rocket fuel will be Suissepad's loyalty program. As I said before, as soon as you register on the whitelist to participate in the pre-sale, you already earn double points. And in this case, how will you get these points? Well, by buying Suisse tokens, meaning if you buy, you earn points, participating in the whitelist that I just showed you, and buying the token using the Naybox wallet. Including there's a video here on the channel showing how you install this wallet. I will probably buy with it. Buying the Suisse token with nuls also generates points, so I will buy with nuls. You also score using someone's referral link. As soon as I have my link, I will put it in this video for you. For now, I don't have this link. And lastly, you also score when someone buys using your referral link. Here in the documents, there is more information about the loyalty program. But let's get back to the airdrop. And what are the eligibility criteria? First, participants must hold a minimum amount of rocket fuel to qualify for the airdrop. Active engagement in the Suissepad ecosystem. For example, participating in pre-sales, staking and governance will be considered. The idea is that this airdrop will be carried out at various regular intervals already programmed with a smart contract. In summary, we will likely have an initial airdrop, and then several smaller airdrops that will reward those most engaged with the ecosystem. At the time of recording this video, the points system is not yet available, and we do not have further information. But as soon as it is released and updated, I will bring it to you. As you have seen, all this is just beginning, and I am bringing this information firsthand to you. However, remember, this is not investment advice. I am only bringing information about the crypto market to you. But pay attention. It is very important that you follow the official Suisse Blockchain profile on Twitter so you don't miss opportunities if you want to participate in something. I have already noticed that there are giveaways happening there, so hurry up and participate now. To make it easier, I will leave the link in the description. Well guys, that's all for today. If you like this content, don't forget to leave a like, because as soon as I have news, I will bring it firsthand to you. But to not miss the next updates of this content, I invite you to subscribe below and activate the bell so that as soon as I release a new video, you will receive the notification. Now I'm going to end this video. Thank you very much for your audience, and I hope to see you in the next video. So until then, bye bye.